you know, there was a lot of challenges in this room. We don't have any windows. We don't have a really high ceiling. The ceiling was actually quite low, which presented a lot of different challenges for us. And again, that was just something that was very outdated. And for the type of space that this is, they really needed something modern. So came up with these reflective ceiling panels that are these high gloss black ceiling panels, which gives us that illusion of a double height ceiling. They really do a good job at not making you feel like you're so enclosed with this really low ceiling right above you, which just kind of really amplifies all of the small details and design elements that we incorporated into the space. Part of what we did is that we integrated spot fixtures and beam fixtures. That marriage of fixtures really helps us create a dynamic lighting show. Having variety in lighting fixture types really helps create a lighting show that is well coordinated and that also gives you tons of options, right? Because that variety is what's gonna set this room apart. This entire advanced intelligent lighting system really helps rock the house here at Acqua, and it's something that's really going to set the tone for the town and everyone in it. It's a very innovative lighting system, very advanced and very capable lighting system.